So when I started looking for an interior designer for my house, I approached several firms. I approached the big names. I approached the other firms that I saw on Instagram. But I was not getting the confidence because everybody just wanted to, just do the regular stuff. And I wanted my house to look spacious, more spacious than it is. Yeah, so when I spoke to Subodh, I told him my concern. I told him that I have a concern that I want the house to look spacious, more spacious than it is in size. And he connected me with Varsha, who gave me the confidence that she can design the house the way I'm thinking it should look like. And when she designed it, it was just as I wanted it to be. Like she completely understood what was going on in my head, and it even turned out to be the way we discussed it, and it turned out exactly like the design. And I'm very happy with the outcome.